In this video, we will talk about Deno. Deno is a JavaScript runtime just like Node.js. It was created by the same person who created Node.js. Deno has been created to overcome the flaws in Node.js. If you notice, Deno is just an anagram for Node. In the official page deno.land, it says that it is a secure runtime for JavaScript and TypeScript. Looking at Node.js, it is also very similar. Deno is created as a replacement for Node.js, but for now you should see it as something that can do the same thing as Node but not replace it. It is still in a very early stage and will take time to be as stable as Node is right now. To install Deno, go to the official webpage and choose any one of the options given based on your OS and feasibility. I'll be using PowerShell to install it on my Windows system. Once installed, you can test it out using the one-line code given on the official website. If it executes successfully, you know for sure that the installation is proper. You can also open the REPL using Deno command like we do for Node. You can do things like adding numbers and also execute some simple code there. This is how we create a simple server using Node.js. We get the HTTP module, spin up the server and start listening on a particular port. We'll replicate the same thing using Deno. The first difference that we see is that we are using a TypeScript file with .ts extension. This must be familiar to those who have worked on something like Angular. If you're not familiar, it is just a superset of JavaScript with extra features. If you would like more info on it, put it in the comment section below. Also note, we can still use JavaScript with Deno, but it supports TypeScript out of the box without the need for manual compilation. The compiler is built into Deno, so we can run this simple program having TypeScript feature let in the following way. Here, we don't import in the JS way, using require. We can import things using the import keyword like we do in Angular. We don't get things magically from the core node modules, and we also don't have to install using the npm install command to get the local node modules. In Deno, we import from a web server, a URL. In the given example, you can see that we are using the deno.land, which is the official website. std is a core set of features which has been made available to Deno, and then we mention the version number along with the actual file. This example can be taken from the official Deno website. We are just spinning up a server and listening on a particular port, like we did in Node. Difference is that we use advanced JavaScript concepts like async iterable. Again, if you need a video on that, please mention it in the comment section below. Now, when we run deno.ts, it compiles and downloads whatever we are importing, and it locally caches it so that it doesn't need to re-download it the next time we execute our code. This is basically like npm install without all the disadvantages associated with npm install. As you can see, we get an error. If you look at the official webpage again, it says that it is a secure runtime. Now, in Node, any script can spin up a web server, and there is little we can do about it. When we run an independent program locally, it is fine. But using a third-party package, we never know what code is written under the hood, and it can do anything. We rely on the maintainers of the third-party packages. In Deno, we can give permission to scripts, and by default, there is no permission which is given to the scripts. Here we need network access, so we add an extra flag allow net. Deno.ts still won't be able to access our file system or do any other things for which permission has not been given. But now it can spin up a web server. Notice that we don't re-download the import since it is cached locally. Our server is listening on the port given. That covers the topics for this video. In conclusion, Deno is still very new and it will take some time to get stable. Also, in general, it is not compatible with Node npm packages. Over time, we will get third-party libraries for Deno, but for now, it is nowhere near the Node ecosystem. Deno is good to start with and experiment around for the long run. Also, Node.js is not going anywhere in the near future. Deno just provides an alternative with modern features and fixes to whatever issues that we faced in Node. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel to encourage more videos. Any requests on particular topics are welcome. Have a good day.